Hello mga langga, it's already 6:15 PM and nag-iinit lang ako ng dinner namin. Ninit ko lang tong soup na niluto ko last week yata yun. Nilagyan ko lang ng spinach and nagluluto din ako ng pasta. Kakarating lang din namin. Naligo ako agad kasi ang lagkit ko. Ang init kasi sa labas, super. Kain tayo.
You've become very good at your minestrone soups, haven't you? You like it?
Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah.
Money for the plane.
Yes.
Ask for my car keys.
See you on Friday.
I'll see you. You can open the door for me, honey. Be too hard for me that I guess.
Okay. Have a safe flight. Love you so much.
See you in a couple of days.
Yeah. Thank you, my love.
We'll see.
See you, love. Chat me when you can. Good morning mga langga! So today is Wednesday and mag-isa lang ako until Friday. So wala si Mark kasi pupunta siya ng Streaky Bay. So hindi na ako sumama kasi wala naman masyado talagang gagawin na doon. Ilang beses na akong nakapunta doon. So sabi namin, huwag na. Sayang yung pamasahe. So sabi ko, dito na lang ako sa bahay. So ayun, mag-isa tayo. Magtitimpla lang ako ng kape. Kape tayo. So, magkape lang muna ako dito mga langga and nagtatahi ako kaya andito yung aking sewing. Pag hindi ako nagtatahi, nilalagay ko dito sa cabinet para hindi siya makalat dito sa aming study room. Ayun na si Mark. Siguro yun na siya. Yung plain. Kasi ano yung sinakyan niya. Correct. Ewan ko kung kita nyo. Ayun siya. Ayun. So, nakikita talaga namin dito yung pag yung plane, pag nagti-take off and then landing. Kasi malapit lang naman yung airport dito eh. So, anyway, ito yung aking ginagawa this week. Luma ko tong pants and gagawin ko siyang skirt. Saktong-sakto lang naman to sa akin. Kaso lang, yung sa may crotch, dito banda, pag umuupo ako, parang hinahatak. Tama ba? Hinahatak pataas. Parang gano'n. So, parang feeling ko ang sikip niya na hindi naman. Nasakto lang talaga siya sa akin. Pero, yun. Pero dahil gusto kong magkaroon ng denim na maxi skirt, gagawa na lang ako. Kaysa naman bumili ako, diba? Gagawin ko na lang siya. Good morning mga langga! So today is Saturday and maaga kaming nagising and
Morning.
mag-hiking kami sa Lofty. And it's already, what's the time, love?
So 7:15.
Yes. 7:15. Pero, gloomy. And, umuulan ng konti. So, good luck. Kasi pag umuulan dito, malamig talaga.
Well, you get so hot and sweaty walking up there anyway.
True.
So a little bit of rain like this, it's not going to make it any worse.
No, I'm not, like I said, I'm not worried for my stuff.
No.
I'm worried for my stuff.
But you got your GoPro.
Yes, I got my GoPro.
But you can't flash that camera then, is that right?
Not this one.
No,
per
not the
se.
camera, no.
Baba's that?
What about your dongle?
No, I got my gimbal. I can use my phone.
Yes.
So, diba?
Definitely use your phone.
Basa. So, andito na kami sa Lofty and parang masakit na yung aking legs kasi I haven't done this for 2 years. Hindi ako nakapunta dito. So, good luck.
You might be a bit stiff tomorrow.
Yeah.
And the next day,
But,
we're making a start again.
yeah.
It's fantastic exercise. It's about 3 kilometres up the hill, 3 kilometres down.
Yeah.
Takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours up and down. Great exercise. And we're in nature. It's just beautiful up here. Just stunning.
Ang sakit na ng legs ko. Tingnan nyo si Mark, parang wala lang. Hindi pa talaga ako fit para sa ganito. So, andito na kami sa taas mga langga. Yan. Wala tayong makita kasi maulan and very foggy. Ayan. So, baba na kami kasi kung titigil pa kami dito ng matagal, lalamigin na kami. So, baba na. Darling, let's go.
Yep, we're gonna go.
Yeah, let's go, love.
Enjoy the walk down the hill.
Yeah.
You'll do really well.
Yung paborito ko kasi yung pababa, pero yung paakyat talaga, nagsastruggle ako. Ayan. Sana si Mark. So, let's go. Hello mga langga, tapos na yung aming hike and mga more than 2 hours, 8 kilometers. So, yan. And ang sakit ng aking legs.
Maybe.
No, tomorrow maybe I can't get up,
You might be a bit stiff tomorrow.
but we'll see.
We will see. It's good fun though, wasn't it?
Yes.
We haven't done it for a long time. Like maybe a year and a half.
No, 2 years for me.
Long time. Yeah, okay. See, I've done it sometimes, but by myself, especially when you go back to the Philippines.
Anyway, so uwi na kami. Pagdating namin sa bahay, maliligo, then bihis, then punta kami ng Central Market kasi bibili kami ng pang breakfast namin. Yeah, that's me.
I nearly bought that house one day.
You did? Why?
Instead of What's nice, you got split levels, isn't it? Split levels handy. Liters. Is the width of it will fit?
Now the width is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
The height is the same as well. The depth,
The depth, is it the same?
the same.
I like the silver. The silver's nice.
It is nice. That's
But it's only extra $300. Not gonna break the bank. It's nice.
nice.
You probably need another shelf, maybe. Maybe you had 2 shelves. Yeah.
Maybe the show is just
So what are you gaining for that? Not really much different. Look, what's down the bottom? That's good.
maybe it's just the quality.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can tell. How about this one? The Samsung.
Yep, Samsung.
It's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Little bit. Ooh,
What's that?
that's nice. Looks of
Shelves, yeah. I like up higher. It's nice.
nice. Oh, that's nice because it's
Mm-hmm. Is that for what? Oh, ice cubes. Yeah. So it really comes down to what? Oh, that's got the ice maker. Okay.
okay, so
Oh, it's water. But we wouldn't use
no,
it.
this one, I don't want.
No, I wouldn't want to. I wouldn't want to.
It's just for that.
Yeah.